Well, the company started in the 70s and then it evolved into this entire material recovery facility with conveyor system, recycling equipment, separates pretty much all the recyclables, containers, glass, metal.
They sort different colored plastics and glass and paper and newspaper from paper and then cardboard from paper.
Right now the industry has turned into single stream, which is the city collects the blue bins from the homes or offices and then bring it into the facility where everything is separated in one conveyor. The physics of the materials is what determines the separations when it comes to recyclables, so a lot of times we're improving some components, so the little intricate details is what determines who takes the lead on the market. SOLIDWORKS has provided us the ability to configure and set up master models to create fast variations of the design.
So we rolled out Enterprise EPDM, which gave us a search tool which we could use to reuse older parts. And from there we incorporated other parts of the company like material control and document control and CNC. So we created a workflow to improve efficiency because you don't want to have to shuffle through 50 files for a bearing. And with configurations, we're able to put each of those different iterations of that bearing into one file to reuse.
We actually cut down the release cycle from up to 2 weeks to a couple hours or a day maximum.
With API, it's basically replacing the redundant tasks and calculations that the engineers have to do every day. We can set it up so it copies files automatically, renames them to what they're supposed to be, so that removes user error, and then automate the assembly of the file after it's created and pick the horsepower and send notifications and emails and updates. There are some conveyors that take 8 hours to design in AutoCAD, and through SOLIDWORKS API we can release the drawings in less than 20 minutes.
When we turn over a project, we present their facility in 3D to their employees and their plant managers. It's really hard to explain with words. You really have to see it. We're gonna be, I think, the first company in the industry that has that level of complexity of project, 100% SOLIDWORKS.
Everyone's going green, but I can say that I work with a company that's actually
Making the green.
yeah, we're making it green. We're helping cities go green and across the world.